This is the War Brief Daily from May 19th, 2026, covering the Russia-Ukraine theater. We are tracking 4 major confirmed developments tonight. Russia's largest single-night strike package of the war. One of Ukraine's biggest ever drone attacks on Moscow. Ukraine's first domestically produced guided glide bomb cleared for combat. And the launch of joint Russia-Belarus nuclear weapons exercises. Let's go through each. First update, this is confirmed. On the night of May 17 to 18, Russian forces launched 546 drones and missiles in a single coordinated package, confirmed by the Ukrainian Air Force. The breakdown, 14 Iskander-M ballistic and S-400 missiles, 8 Iskander-K cruise missiles, and 524 Shahed, Gerbera, and Italmas strike drones launched simultaneously from 6 directions across Russia and occupied territory. Ukrainian air defenses intercepted 503 drones and 4 cruise missiles. That sounds strong, but the raw numbers don't tell the full operational story. Russia embedded Parodiya decoy drones inside the package, specifically the spoof Ukrainian radar, and forced interceptor expenditure before real warheads arrived. The actual strain on Ukrainian air defenses was significantly greater than the intercept count suggests. 18 missiles and 16 drones reached 34 confirmed locations. The primary target was Dnipro City. Russian forces also struck Odessa, hitting a Chinese commercial vessel, along with Kharkiv, Chernihiv, Kirovohrad, and Kherson. 33 civilians were injured, including 3 children. ISW assesses Russia is deliberately escalating ballistic missile use to exploit a growing global shortage of Patriot interceptors. Second update, this is confirmed. Ukraine answered with one of its largest ever overnight drone attacks on Russia. Approximately 600 drones per Russian and international reporting. Russian air defenses claimed 81 drones destroyed near Moscow alone, but strikes still killed 4 people in the Moscow region and wounded 12 more, with damage reported near the capital's oil refinery. Ukraine's general staff separately confirmed a May 15 strike destroyed a Russian BE-200 amphibious aircraft and a Ka-27 helicopter at Yeysk Air Base in Krasnodar. Ukrainian forces also struck a Russian Grachanok-class anti-sabotage boat near Kaspiysk in Dagestan, roughly 1,000 kilometers from the front line. President Zelensky called the Moscow strikes a completely fair response. Third update, this is confirmed. Ukrainian Defense Minister Fedorov announced on May 18 that Ukraine has developed, tested, and cleared for combat use its first domestically produced KA-B guided glide bomb. 250 kilograms, capable of striking targets tens of kilometers from the release point. ISW assesses this as a significant capability shift. Ukraine can now mirror Russia's own glide bomb strategy, hitting logistics nodes, command infrastructure, and ammunition storage in Russia's operational rear without exposing its limited aircraft to frontline air defenses. Fourth update, this is confirmed. Belarusian and Russian forces commenced joint nuclear weapons exercises on May 18, per the Belarusian Ministry of Defense. The exercises include practicing the delivery of nuclear munitions and preparing for combat use. The timing is direct. These exercises launched on the same day Ukraine confirmed one of its largest ever strikes on Moscow. This follows a documented pattern of nuclear signaling that intensifies during periods of Ukrainian strategic pressure. One additional item worth flagging. Russia's Ministry of Defense claimed on May 16 that Russian forces had seized the town of Borova. That claim is false. OSINT geolocated the Russian proof footage to Kolomyachika, 9 kilometers from Borova in Luhansk Oblast. This is part of a documented Russian pattern of fabricated capture announcements for domestic consumption. Here's what to watch over the next cycle. Monitor the Kremlin for explicit nuclear rhetoric in the next 48 to 72 hours. That window has historically followed this type of signaling exercise. Watch for Russian retaliatory strikes in response to the Moscow attack, and track whether Ukraine deploys its new domestic glide bomb in a confirmed strike. On the economic side, Russia's federal budget deficit has hit approximately $80 billion in the first 5 months of 2026. One oil company alone has closed 400 wells, and Russia is now selling physical gold from reserves. The strategic picture continues to evolve on multiple axes simultaneously. That is your War Brief Daily for May 19, 2026. Stay informed, stay sharp, and we will have your next update as developments warrant.